Don't mind the background noise. It's before work. Torn up, but this one is the non-united together version. This is just the standard version. 2022 release. All right. Let's take a look. It should dry. All right. Max 8 to go with my Dash 800. Ooh, it's heavy. This one's very heavy. Wow, okay. And the gear's already in it. Kind of weird, but could be the way they came. Engines in this one aren't very detailed, but I know that. I got it for a decent price, and it's not the being together one, it's just the standard version, so. Real nice. Okay, let's set it down, take a look at it. Alright. Well, as I've known, the landing gear on these Maxes, according to other videos, is not very good. And that is the case here. Kind of bends back. I don't know why my flash isn't showing up, but yeah, overall, it's a very pretty plane. Happy to add this one to my collection, definitely next to the 737-800 I unboxed recently. So those new winglets, I don't know the name for those. Sat dome looks good. This model looks good. Very nice. Very nice. I don't know if it's going to go on the stand or if it's just going to sit on the shelf, so I'm not going to put it on the stand right now. But there you go. Enjoy. Now we got a couple other special unboxings coming up here. That and another display board. So stay tuned. Thanks.